What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Casiano, and today it's our pleasure to introduce to you one of the up-and-comers from Philippine MMA today, who will be making his pro debut on May 25. Let's all welcome Aaron Posawen. Ading, we're super happy to have you on the program today.
It's an honor, Kuya, to be in this interview. Magandang hapon po sa atin lahat and sa
As
mga nanonood ngayon.
Asbula, ito nga si Aaron.
As wala.
Ito nga si Aaron is fighting on May 25 in the main event of Zeus Combat League's first event titled Ground Zero. And ito nga event na to will be held at the SM North EDSA Sky Dome in Quezon City. Sa mga hindi pa nakakabili ng ticket, it's still available online. You can also message yung Facebook page, official Facebook page ng Zeus Combat League. Now, ito nga si Aaron, he's going up against Marwin Quirante in a flyweight bout. Adding, how excited are you to have this kind of opportunity and exposure that will surely benefit your career moving forward?
I'm super excited po and I've been working a lot this recent past months. Nakikisama pa ako sa mga training ng mga champion natin and sa camp nila Kuya Joshua noon pa. And
Mhm.
I've been preparing for this and I'm excited na ito na. We're gonna
Oh,
showcase our skill.
obvious naman na excited lalo pag nakakausap kita, hindi nawawala yung whoo! Tsaka ha! Every time na napag-uusapan ng laban mo. Ngayon, Aaron, for the last 5 years, you have been a head turner in the amateur ranks. Lalo na sa akin, if compared with your more experienced teammates na nabanggit mo nga yung mga champions ng Lions Nation MMA, your fighting style is unique. Talagang ang nakikita ko Russian style eh. But personally, for the longest time, personally, on a personal note, it bothered me that you didn't get the chance to perform on a much bigger stage until today, or your opportunity has finally arrived through Zeus Combat League. Can you describe the impact of this opportunity to you?
uh, these opportunities, I'm super excited po kasi ito na. Masi-showcase na natin yung mga noon hindi natin napapakita sa big league. And I'm grateful for this Combat League kasi tayo yung napili and we're able to showcase our skill na and along like span of ilang years na
Ah,
nagtitraining ng
ah,
low-key. Ayun,
ah.
masi-showcase na natin.
Oh, Loki. Speaking of Loki, tagong-tago ka na
Yes
nag-ensayo
po.
ensayo during pandemic kasama si
Yes
Uncle
po.
Ray sa La Union. Ngayon, while waiting on the sidelines, nagkaroon ba ng doubts or sumagi sa isip mo na, alam mo yon, napaglilipasan ka na eh. Alam mo, hindi naman bumabata din yung mga fighters. Nakikita mo yung iba na bibigyan ng opportunity samantalang ikaw, alam mo yon, tahimik lang.
Meron din yung time na ganun po. Parang wala parang di na ako yung di ata ito yung path ko, sabi ko. Kaya tinapos ko yung pagka-criminology ko. Pero I'm praying to God pa rin na kung ito yung path, bibigyan niyo yung opportunity. And
Ah,
this is it. Ito na
ah,
yun, binigay ni God and will
ah.
claim it.
Now, what kept you going through those tough times of waiting for the opportunity to arrive? Ano yung motivation na binibigay mo na, sige, darating din to. Ah, ito yung gusto ko talaga mangyari sa buhay ko.
Opo, yun nga. To keep motivated pa rin. Otherwise, wala eh.
Ah,
Minsan inisip ko na I'm born for this. I'm born to fight.
mm,
Bata nga ako, na-expose na ako sa fighting. Why not? I-continue
mm,
ko na lang para ma-pursue ko yung dreams ko to be able to become a champion someday. And yun yung nag-motivate sa akin na mag-strive pa rin kahit walang opportunity. Pero keep working pa rin, keeping the grind. And until now po, ganun
mm.
pa rin, on fire pa rin po yung pag-training.
Malaking factor ba yun na kasama mo sa isang bahay si John Servo at saka si Joshua Pasio na to be
Oh,
motivated na, Gusto ko talagang maging career tong MMA eh.
Opo. Yun po yung isang nag-push sa akin na ma-pursue tong MMA ko. And salamat kay Kuya Joshua kasi yun nga, siya yung tumulong sa akin and siya yung kumupot sa akin dito. And yun, para ma-pursue to.
Yeah. Yan, Aaron, di naman natin mapagkakailan na hindi lahat ng fighters ay nasa fortunate situation katulad mo. Well, of course, when I mentioned that, you have superstar teammates tulad nila Edward Folayan, Joshua Pasio, na hindi mo lang kasama sa training, pati sa bahay, Kevin Belingon, Honorio Banario, and the list goes on. Ano yung masasabi mong advantages na sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, sila yung kasama mo sa loob ng gym?
Ah, lahat advantage eh. Sa training, sa nutrition, sa knowledge, lahat ng gagawin is nandun.
Para bang may cheat book?
Oo, parang naka-cheat na eh. Nandun kasi sila yung nauna dito na sport. Sila yung nagsimula and lahat ng mga mistakes nila is sinasabi nila para hindi namin maulit. Yung mga ano naman, mga natutunan nila na lesson, yun naman yung ina-adapt natin para mm, maging much more advantage pa.
Mm. Ngayon, Aaron, ano naman yung masasabi mong challenges or expectations na mga superstar ang kasama mo sa loob ng ensayo o sa ensayo?
Ah, yun, yung pressure. Yun yung no. Kasi mga champions kailangan maging be like a champion, you train like a champion, you must be also walk like a champion also. And
Ah,
yun nga yung pressure kasi nandun lahat yung pressure sa sa mga isipin ng tao, oh, champion yung kasama niyan. Dapat yung expectation nila is
ah, ah.
mataas eh kaya yun. Kailangan natin yun, yung
Champ,
pressure talaga.
do you treat that as, alam mo yun, may kasabihan eh. We get to read this in the Bible. To whom much is given, much is required.
Opo.
Naniniwala ka ba that
Ah,
it applies to you? Lalong, eto eh, may access ka eh. May access ka
opo.
na hindi meron ng karaniwang MMA fighter sa Pilipinas.
Tingin ko ma-apply natin 'yan sa buhay natin and dito sa MMA na to, and sa sport.
Ngayon, Aaron, when Lions Nation MMA was formally introduced last year, isa ka sa mga napangalanan na parte ng
Ah,
grupo along with John Serbo and Denver Sogabe na kasama mo rin na lalaban on May 25. Ito yung tanong eh, what made you decide to join Lions Nation MMA?
uh, I've been with Kuya Joshua since then and
Hmm.
uh, ano yung ano yung decision
It's
niya. Yun yung
uh,
pupuntahan
so,
ko din.
so it's a
Wala
no
naman
brainer.
na
So it's a
yes po.
saan siya, doon ka.
Then lahat naman is
Uh,
uh, it's a given opportunity siguro na i-grab
uh,
kasi we've been praying for, yun nga, yung sasabi ko, pinag-pray ko to and iso, yun siguro yung opportunity.
uh, Yan nabanggit natin kanina lang na getting to this point was a long journey. Getting this kind of opportunity was a long and winding road. Ngayon, now that you're here, do you believe that you made the right decision to join Lions Nation MMA?
Yes po. I think it's a right decision
Ah,
na I've been uh, and it's an honor also and uh, privilege to be part of the team. Yung talagang grateful and thankful to God for this opportunity.
Ngayon, Aaron, how does it feel that the team is now building its future by putting the spotlight on the new breed of fighters katulad mo, katulad ni John, katulad ni Denver at di lang ni Denver, pati yung Cubs unit, yung Lion Cub unit,
Opo.
nabibigyan na rin ng opportunities. How does it feel na ano they're extending the olive branch to the young guns of the team.
Oo, yun nga po eh. Noon, napapanood ko lang na mga interview na ganito. Hindi kami, pero ngayon may opportunity na dumating eh. Kami na yun.
Ah, ah,
So, it's a great privilege pa rin. It's an honor na kami yung parang next generation nila.
ah,
And ipagpatuloy namin yung mga yapak na sinimulan nila. And
ah,
uh, we more set this standard higher sa
ah.
mga lahat ng mga trainings and sa knowledge about this kasi makukuha natin yung lesson sa kanila eh kaya i-improve pa natin parang ganun.
Madagdag ko lang, tsaka hindi lang ito di lang dito natatapos yung interview na to at marami pa for sure. Lalo
Yes
pag
po.
nalagpasan mo yung big test mo on May 25. Speaking of Young Lions, masaya ka ba na kayo nila Denver, ni John, na alam mo yun, kayo yung grupong matagal na nag-iintay to be in this position ay sama-sama kayo lalaban on May 25.
Yes. Ano po? Ano po kaya? Ulit.
Kaya, 'di ba, kayo yung ano eh, kayo yung Young Lions, kayo yung bagong chapter for Lions Nation MMA. Pero also, if you're going to look at the other side, kayo yung grupo ng matagal nang nag-iintay to be in this position. Gaano ka kasaya na yung mga kasama mo rin nag-intay ay sama-sama kayong lalaban on May 25?
One word lang eh. I can't believe it right now eh.
Sobra pa, sobra pa sa one word 'yun.
Opo nga eh. Hindi ko ma-explain eh kasi uh, minsan noon pa talagang pinapangarap ko na to eh. Sana ganun din sa akin, mga ganun. Pero hindi ko nga in-expect na ganito ang mangyari. So, I'm thankful to God talaga. This well is going na in my life.
Mas ano ba, mas vibrant ba yung ensayo ngayon sa gym dahil sama-sama kayong tatlo eh. Sama-sama kayo nag-intay, pero on May 25, sama-sama din kayo lalaban.
Kaya nga po eh, so exciting nga po eh. Yung trail na nadaanan namin
Ah,
and now we have the chance also, the privilege, the opportunity to showcase din our
ah.
skills. So I'm so happy po
Yan,
talaga.
Aaron, yan we mentioned a while ago, you're going up against Marwin Tirante. At this stage of
Yes.
his career, to be fair, medyo marami-rami na siyang pinagdaanan. Isa rin sa mga nakalaban niya, One Warrior Series alumnus na si McCleary or Nido in the
Oh,
URCC.
yes po.
Ngayon, Aaron, how confident are you heading into this bout?
Uh, Trust the training lang.
Ah,
Pinaghandaan ko to.
mm,
Yun yung sinasabi ko sa isip ko eh. Oh, he has a lot of experience na marami na siyang laban. Pero sa akin nga, mga champions na kay-sparring ko eh.
mm,
Mga champions nga yung mga
mm.
nakakasama ko eh. That's give me the confidence also to uh, at least have this fight na confident ako.
Since nabanggit mo na nga yan, ito yung gusto kong ito yung gusto kong i-commend sa iyo eh, yung anticipation hindi lang sa ensayo, pati sa tanong kasi ito yung susunod kong tanong sa iyo. Nabanggit nga natin kanina na battle tested si Kirante pero sa ganitong klase ng laban, tingin mo ba malaking bagay na may teammates ka na more accomplished sa iyo at tinutulungan ka sa preparation mo?
Sobrang laking bagay po yun. Sa
Ah,
lahat ng sa training, sa lahat ng camp namin, nakakasama ko mga champions. I've been sparring to a lot of champions, wrestling to
yeah.
the champions, grappling with champions. So, uh,
Mm.
wala tayong, wala na tayong hihingin eh.
Ah,
Nasa atin na yun eh. Sa
ah.
sarili na natin kung paano natin i-finish yung fight or paano natin i-handle yung fight
At
or yung
hindi lang
opponent natin.
at hindi lang champions, ang balita ko mas extensive na rin ang coaching ng Lions Nation
Ay,
MMA dahil
opo.
may jiu-jitsu na kayo. I believe meron na rin
Opo.
kayong Muay Thai coach, boxing, and
Oo,
also sa
meron.
MMA. Ah, Talagang kumpletos ricados para sa
Opo,
isang
parang
Aaron
gano'n.
Pupuso. Yan. Yan. Ikaw, Aaron, what do you see as your advantage against Marvin Kirante?
advantage ko siguro is strength, power,
Mm,
explosiveness,
mm,
and sa striking kaya masabi kong pwede ko siyang sabayan and also sa ground.
mm,
So, pero sa lahat ng mga scenarios na pwedeng mangyari is we prepared for that. In
oo,
striking, in grappling, in wrestling,
mm.
we're ready.
So
So,
you hope for the best, but at the same time expect the worst.
yes po.
Ayan.
Pero
Now,
I'm trusting I'll give the fans the good fight for this one.
all right. Now, Aaron, what do you see as his weakness that you intend to exploit on May 25?
Pinag-aralan ko eh. So, I've been watching his videos, his fights, and may nakita ko eh na natalo siya sa,
Mm,
sa I think
mm,
sa ground. Tinake
uh,
down siya and then
uh,
pin, then doon siya stuck.
uh,
So, I
uh,
think that's the uh, uh, one of his weakness
uh,
na pwede kong exploit para manalo.
yeah. Now, how do you see things play out on May 25 against Marwin Kirante?
Ano po kuya?
How do you see things play out? Paano mo nakikita yung takbo ng laban against him na for sure isang magiging malaking pagsubok pero at the same time would benefit your career and the experience na kailangan mo to get to the next level.
Yun nga po. So, respect pa rin sa kanya kasi nag-training siya. Respect pa rin kasi pinaghandaan niya rin to. So, I will be expecting na hindi madaling laban to. And
Oh,
I'm ready. I will give it all to the fight. And whoever wins that fight, he's the better one. So, yun
med-
lang po.
medyo susundutin na kita prediction mo sa laban na to.
Hindi ako magpipredict ngayon kasi maraming scenarios na mangyari. Pero one thing I can say is I will finish the fight.
Ah, yan po ang prediction ni Hasbula. Hasbula, bago tayo magpaalam,
Yes, kaya
baka nais mong imbitahin ang fans ng Lions Nation MMA at the same time, pati yung mga nanonood ng aming programa to watch on May 25 at the SM North EDSA Sky Dome in Quezon City.
yes, sa lahat ng nanonood, sa fight fans natin dyan, sa Lions Nation MMA, sa sumusuporta sa Lions Nation and sa akin, and I would like to invite you all in May 25. I'm your main event and I will be fighting Marwin Kirante and hope you will go. I will see you there. Uh, North Edsai Skydome, uh, Ground Zero, uh, Zeus Combat League, the first
Yeah.
ever event. And if you have bili kayo ng ticket sa mismong mall or you can try to contact their page for online transaction po sa ticket.
Yan, galing na mismo kay Aaron Posawen. Champ, future champ, maraming salamat sa oras.
Yes po. Maraming salamat po kuya.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Casiano with Aaron Posawen. Till next time.